Hi everyone, my name's Ava. I'm a junior English major with a minor in history and I'm on the pre-law track. I can't wait to get started taking over the Instagram for today. Class just ended, so I figured I would show you all my Warren Towers dorm. I'm an RA in Warren, so I have my own single. This is my Rhett stuffed animal, my desk area, all my sticky notes that I use to keep track of everything, all my laptop stickers. Yes, I know they're amazing. My bed with all my stuffed animals. This is my dog pillow. I know it's creepy. I know, but I love it. All my photographs, my dresser, my flowers, my closet, my snack area, my wall art, which I love. It's a quote by Taylor Swift, for those of you who know. My painting by my best friend Megan. My coat area, and this wonderful mirror on the wall that came actually with the room. For those of you who are wondering what a single looks like in Warren, now you know. Please feel free to ask any questions you might have. They can be about anything at all. What I'm studying, what I'm involved in, Starbucks, being an RA, anything at all. Feel free to ask. RAs are resources for the residents, and residents can come to RAs for anything from facilities problems to roommate conflicts. RAs also have to serve on-call shifts where they respond to any policy violations, but overall, the job of the RA is to advocate for your residents and foster a community within your floor. Your application opens right before winter break, and it's due sometime in January, I believe. Benefits of being an RA, you get to have an impact on your community, and also having free room and board is definitely a benefit as well. In addition to all the RA responsibilities I just mentioned, RAs also get to decorate their floor and pick their own theme and celebrate it however you want. I'm going to show you in a second. I'm filming this right here so my residents don't make fun of me just talking to my phone in the hallway, but here we go. I love that BU places a lot of value on individuality rather than conformity, which I feel like sets it apart from a lot of other schools. Additionally, I love that BU has always given me the room to grow. I feel like I'm consistently being challenged inside and outside the classroom. Put yourself out there. Of course, that will be easier to do post-pandemic when there's more clubs and opportunities to join things, but it's really the best advice. My previous institution was actually right next to my home, so after a year of just constantly going home, I was very happy to actually move away from home. It can be scary at first, but once you find your community, it can be so much better and so much easier. Thank you all for following along with my Takeover Tuesday today. It was such an honor to spend this day on Instagram with all of you. Feel free to follow my main Instagram account and reach out if you have any more questions. Have a good night.